Warning, the truly unusual motion picture you are about to see contains many scenes of graphic violence. It is not intended for the faint of heart, nor the young and impressionable.
Fuck your wifey, run up on you, hyphy, holding a knifey. You ain't a soldier, boy, I'm riding with iced tea mixed with vodka. Sitting shotgun with the Glock, punk cock, taking hip-hop back. Shoot up your commercial block, pop, pop, pop. You are not rugged, you should stop rapping hops. You are not hip-hop, you want some faggot shit dancing like a bitch. You sold out Herkin, all of that work, wasted for talentless bullshit. Try to challenge this, we can fight, G, I rep my shit. Head up, dead up, what up, get wet up, or cut up. Where you wanna meet up to get beat up. I'm not bigger than the drama, don't get me mixed up, I'll battle Jigga tomorrow. I got a reputation for bashing the face, and even when I make my millions, I'll be down for confrontation. I rap for the kids in buildings, with little education, urban children, urban youth dailies, our occupation. Suburban kids can get with it too, but do your history. Know what you're listening to, don't be a drone or I'm dissing you. Rap clones, I piss on you biters, don't make me smack you home. You're weak like a virus, don't sleep on me like itis. We're street fighters and we keep heat right beside us, in case you're too pussy for a fair one like Commodus. What up, Paul? Why you turn bourgeois? You used to be raw, now you a whore, that's what you call mature? I'll stay an immature grown man, rhyming hardcore for fans, my indie is major. I hustle harder than the brain muscles of Master P and Russell combined. Do what it takes, even if I gotta bust you with a 9.
Oh shit, I am a nightmare walking, psychopath talking. Yeah, when you see us, you better pay homage. I'm on some combat shit like early day caucus. How you identify body from they cartilage? 50 dudes, park side killer, blade sharpness. Philly soundtrack, able forever. I will catch a fucking homicide, lay him whoever. DJ Miz, he will fucking slay him and sever. If you think that either one of us is playing whatever, go up in your face with the open head pliers. Old school like sneakers hanging from overhead wires. Yo, just getting warmed up, pussy, we set fires. We the hardest rappers that's living, but y'all biased. Oh shit, I am a nightmare walking, psychopath talking. Oh shit, Johnson drop is real heavy. Bring it back, come rewind. Oh shit, I am a nightmare walking, psychopath talking. Drop is real heavy. Bring it back, come rewind. Oh shit. Johnson drop is real heavy. Bring it back, come rewind. Load up the trunk with the motherfucking arsenal. I'm about to spray your fucking wig like a barber do. I'm a loose cannon, it's no telling what I'ma do. Shooting innocent motherfuckers like they was Amadou. Oh shit, I am a nightmare walking, psychopath talking. Oh shit, Johnson drop is real heavy. Bring it back, come rewind.
Immune to Ebola and never got the swine flu. And when you say it like that, it shows a different side of you, reminding you of the rights that are now denied to you. How elements that compose the sun are inside of you, but you didn't come here for knowledge and wisdom. America rubs its pussy to dead children. Truth, no modesty, no apology owed to you. Go home and let the cable TV wash over you.
Oh shit, Johnson drop is real heavy. Bring it back, come rewind.
Your life's a microcosm of the world's problems, but you don't even have the perspective to try to solve them. No compassion, remorse, or any type of future seeing. Government run by people that are barely human beings, who claim we were brainwashed by hip-hop music, but now pop culture propaganda's how they use it. Crack 'em with a blackjack on a neck road track. Snatch your chain and hump the dance floor, I'm taking it back, bitch.